everyone, it's Laynie and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are seriously having the best day ever, okay? I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired. I have just felt tired all day today. That's why I'm coming at you with the very minimal makeup. But anyways, I had to share this with you guys. I finally got my ColourPop order. So, due to COVID, ColourPop had to stop shipping and manufacturing for quite some time. So I now have my long-awaited birthday gift to myself. So I'm very excited to dive in, check out the items I picked out. So if you want to see my ColourPop haul, then just keep watching. Slather on a little bit of sanitizer before we dive on it. So like I said, I actually purchased this back for my birthday back in March. So this stuff I have been waiting for. I'm excited to play with, especially one item in here. I didn't go crazy. I've definitely been trying to reel in my shopping over the last couple years. I did get a little notice in my email saying that they had sold out of 2 of the items I purchased. I can live with that. The one item I was going to be absolutely brokenhearted if they sold out of before I could get it was this big box of Lippie pencils. I'm so excited for this. I have been wanting to swap out and switch up my lip liner collection. A lot of mine are getting extremely old. I mean, like, I don't want to even tell you how old they are. Like, it's that old. Some of them, they're so old that the the inside of the pencil will actually like fall out if you tip it upside down. So it was time. It was time. And I saw that ColourPop had this on sale. I believe it was $68. I'll link these items down below for you guys. I was like, this is everything I need. There's no way there won't be every color I need in this collection. We're going to save this for last. I'm going to open it up, see all what's in here. Then I picked up a few eyeliners. I picked up the shade Boots, which I'm really excited about. I've been wanting to play with colorful eyeliner for quite some time. I wear a lot of color on the daily, and sometimes I just feel like color is really needed in like the waterline, just to like amp up and just really make the look like stand out and a wow factor. So I got Boots, which is pink, Charmer, which is a beautiful purple. I have not used their eyeliners before. I've heard good things. I'm hoping they're creamy and that they go in the waterline well, because I definitely have tried eyeliners before that just will not go in my waterline. Teaspoon, look at it. I have been obsessed with this color of green this year. I don't know what it is, but I love it. This is beautiful. Now I'm confused because I got this color here, Charmer, that looks purple to me. And then I also got this piggy bank that looks purple to me. I guess I just really wanted to have my variations of purple handy. Prance, look at this periwinkle, so pretty. And Puppy, I love orange, if you can't tell. So this is going to be a lot of fun to play with. Then, because I was feeling adventurous, I picked up a couple pair of their falsies. The price was right and they looked like really pretty styles, so I wanted to give it a try. I'm not a huge falsies wearer. It's like a 4 times a year type situation. But I was like, you know what, I'm going to try it. I have faith in ColourPop. I got the style Bay. This one speaks to me. It's got the drama. I love the multiple lengths. It's so sassy. And then I also got the style Honey. These look like they have drama, but a little bit more natural since they're more of a natural lash length. As I said, I did not go crazy. I didn't buy a bunch of stuff. This was definitely the main reason for the purchase. Let's open it up. I'm so excited for this. Look at all those lippies. I do love their lip liner formula. I have used it many times. One thing I loved about this is it had lots of like neutrally shades for just like your everyday nude lipstick. And then they had some spunky colors, and then they had some bold colors in here too, because I was thinking instead of buying bold lipsticks that I'm going to wear once in a while, like when I just want to do a funky creative look, so I was like, I'm just going to do a lip liner. I can just fill in my entire lips, pop some gloss over top, instead of having to buy like 800 million different lipsticks. So yeah. Woo! It's a lot of lip liners. That is a lot of lip liners. Some of these colors look a little repetitive. I will say that now that I'm seeing them in person. Let me pull out the funky colors first so we can just check them out. I feel like these are definitely the more funky colors in there. I hope I'm showing you all the colors there. There is this really crazy green shade. Would I wear this ever? I don't know, but maybe. Ooh, it's actually like a blue. Look at that. I actually do really like a blue lipstick. It's not something I wear a lot, but it can be a lot of fun. That one is ATL. Mamacita. It's like a really rich, winey plum shade. Now this one looks extremely similar to that. It's flattered. See that difference there? The one is quite darker than the other. I heart this. Oh, I love that shade. I do feel like their colors on the cap are a bit different. Like I don't think it's showing the brightness of this shade. Heart on. Ooh, that's my kind of bold pink. I love a good bold pink. Dial up. Okay, this is my pink. Dial up is my pink. I love a vibrant pink. I also love an orange. This is Absolute Zero. I hope it's a true orange. It is. It is. I do not think my camera is doing this justice because I feel like in my viewfinder that is looking like pink. It is a true orange. Chi Chi. Ooh, that's beautiful. This one's like a corally orange. It's really stunning. V Cute. Ooh. That is a fun shade of like electric purple, like a little bit lavender. I actually really love a purple lipstick, and I've gotten more compliments wearing a purple lipstick to work than I ever have with any other shade. This is TBH. Now this is a true purple. Right there is that TBH. You do have to be kind of cautious sometimes with purple. It can make your teeth look a little yellow, so those are ones that I'm going to have to try them on and see how the pearly whites look to make sure they look pearly white. Whatchamacallit. Now this is a very different shade. It is like a gray blue. This one I don't think would look good on my skin tone, even with the right look, but you never know. X Factor. Oh, okay, this is more of like a wine shade. It's actually very wearable. Now there is a, let's see. Here's a few more. I'm just going to put them in the colorful category, I think, and then go through the nudie shades. Oh, I missed one bold one. Okay, I feel like there's so many in here. They're getting lost in translation. An actual black. This is Bull Chic. That is hilarious. I've actually never worn black lipstick, but you know, I'm going to try filling my lips in with this and see how it goes. Then I have Bossy. That is a pretty pinky toned red. Frenchie is like a true perfect red. I love that. That is Overtime. Definitely this Frenchie is like my perfect red. Okay, the rest of these do look pretty neutral. Don't know why this one looks like someone's already like used it. It's all smudged up. Ooh, I don't think anyone has, but definitely in the shipping process or the creation process, it smudged a little bit all over the actual pencil. I do apologize. Everybody's out walking their dogs right now, and if my dog sees another dog, he goes bananas. Imagine you live in a neighborhood with lots of dogs, and how often people walk their dogs and your dog freaks out every time. I love him though. I wouldn't change him for the world. Obviously, some of these lip liners are probably not some that I'm going to reach for a lot. Some of them won't be perfect for my skin tone, or I won't have a perfect lipstick to match it, but I definitely felt like doing this was actually the more affordable route because you got a discounted price, and I was going to get like the majority of colors that I was looking for and shades that I needed or things that I felt like I was missing in my collection. So yeah, I'm just going to go through these real fast. Oh, the left hand, this is not good. Hoopty. Not good at doing this with my left hand. On Ice, that's actually a really beautiful kind of brown berry shade. Ellery. Ooh, that one's pretty. That is also a very good berry tone there. That's like, you know, kind of the perfect vampy lip. Bitchette, that's hilarious. See, that one, the packaging looks a lot darker than the actual liner there. BFF3. Taupey brown. That's really good for overlining, giving you that shadow effect. Beeper. I've heard a lot about Beeper. That's a good one. That'll be a really good nude lip liner. As If. Oh, this one, woo, ooh. That's light. That actually looks like a concealer. I'm not sure what I would do with that. Maybe popping it on the center to give that plump effect or a highlighted effect. Love Bug. Ooh, I love this shade. This reminds me a lot of Frida by Coffee Break with Danny way back in the day. Frank, I love that shade. That's a really perfect nude. This is going badly with the lip tan. That is BFF, another really good nude. Shot Clock. Ooh, I love this one. I love this Oh Sis shade. That's really pretty. Curvy up top here, a really good nude. Good and Plenty is like a really pretty pinky nude. Oh Snap. Lumiere, always a good one. Avi, that's a good nude to me. I really like that Avi one. It's kind of weird to say. LBB, don't know what that means. Another rich winey tone. Another round, and I don't remember which one is directly under it, but they're almost identical. Oh my gosh. The same for this one, little one, and then the one directly below it is almost exactly the same. Just a little bit more pink. Bumble. I've heard great things about this one. Ooh, I like that shade. Please ignore these horrible swatches. The left hand is not doing it. BFF2. Ooh, a nice brownie tone right there. And then lastly is 951. Ooh, I like that one. I love that brownie nude. Here's my current lip liner collection, and there was one lip liner I was really hoping to find a dupe for because they no longer make this. It's my favorite lip liner in the world. It's actually by Unique and it's called Plush. It's like a dusty, mauve-y lip liner, and it looks incredible when paired with a peach lipstick. So I'm going to put it on my hand and see if any of these match. See, none of them are just right. I tell you, I have hunted and hunted and hunted. I cannot find one that is exactly like this because it's just almost like a gray, dusty lavender mauve shade, and it just makes the coolest shadowy effect when you pair it with a peach lipstick. It's perfection to me. So sadly, none of these are exactly there. Darn it, I was really hoping because that is the one lipstick that is the one lip liner that is just like above and beyond anything else I can find. Out of my lip liners, of course, I'm keeping this Plush one. Cannot give it up. I'm going to keep this kind of peachy, it's like a light pinky peachy color by Wet n Wild. It is Doll in Love Again. And a Maybelline Color Sensational in Beige Babe. A Wet n Wild in Lay Down the Mauves. They have great lip liners. Wet n Wild in Pink Electric. Wet n Wild in Bear to Comment. And then the Color Sensational in Raw Chocolate, oldie but a goodie. And yeah, you guys, that is my ColourPop haul. I know I didn't get anything crazy, but like I said, I'm trying to really think through my makeup purchases and make sure I'm only getting things I really need or I really feel like I'm missing or I'm really head over heels in love with. So yeah, I'm going to organize these lip liners and I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, go ahead and click the subscribe button, join the Lash Fam, you will not regret it. And as always, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.